Today, almost all human activities cannot be separated from digital-based tools. One of that is a cell phone, which cannot be separated from tools for daily needs. Basically, information about the weather, especially during the rainy season, only provides information within the city and has a too wide scope, so it does not provide information that is less precise and in real time. When one city is rained, usually not the whole city gets rained on, because sometimes there are areas that are not rained. Therefore, this IoT-based sensor can provide rain information in real time, and precisely at every certain point in the city.
Here is a prototype video of based rain detector on maps to know weather conditions in an area. The first step is to log in as an admin. The next step is to register the sensor. In the registration, there is the sensor name, longitude, latitude, and status. When the sensor has been registered, it will appear on the user display with the status. When the sensor is active, the sensor will send the value to the database via URL with the status sunny. When the sensor is exposed to water, the sensor will send the value to the database via URL with the status rain. Then the status of the web user will change according to the sensor value.
Rainwater is an electrolytic liquid, so it can affect the output voltage on the rain sensor. The comparator IC on the rain sensor changes the output on the sensor into binary numbers 1 and 0. The ESP32 microcontroller receives data from the sensor and is ready to send data to the web server admin. ESP32 can send data to the web server using a Wi-Fi connection via a module that has been integrated into the microcontroller.